my testing. I guess we're finally live for live stream 281. Oh, seems that we're rejecting that 200 there.
Order submitted.
It's going to take
Order
a short.
failed. Order submit. Order submitted. Order failed.
No, that doesn't look like it's holding. Down 8. Thought I could get the rejection there off the 200. Oh, hold on.
Order submitted.
Poor entry there. Oh, you're joking.
Order failed.
What is going on here?
Order submitted. Order failed.
You gotta be kidding me. Down 23.
Order submitted.
See if we get the breakout here.
Stop failed.
Guess not.
Order submitted.
$72. No.
Order failed.
Oh, you're joking.
Order submitted.
$77. Current range on NQ today. 445 points. ES 102.75. Gold we're looking at God, we're looking at 42.5. I'm going to go for 3x on the target. Looks like I'm targeting the higher day. That's interesting. Something seems off here. Seems like we got low volume or something. Something seems a little bit off. Your volume's a bit low. Let's see if we can go pick up the 192s. We get to 87. I'm adjusting my stop to break even. There we go, 87. Adjusting my stop to break even. In break 88, I'm adjusting my stop to 77. Adjusting my stop to 77.
Order filled.
Target hit just there. So a bit of a 1 to 3 there. And that was based on price coming back to that moving average, 200 period. Put in a bullish candle, so took it as a bit of a support play. Just targeted 1 to 3. So down 11. So this is the non-farm payrolls. Had a rally, retested, continue to the upside. 360, we've got a 200 period.
Order submitted.
Let's see if it wants to break out here. If it wants to break out, we want to certainly help it. There we go. I'm going to be aggressive with this stop. Really aggressive. Oh. If it's going to break out, it shouldn't come back. It's going to break out. It shouldn't come back. Risking about 2. Should be probably 225. Not really looking like a breakout, is it? Prices have stalled.
Order filled.
Took it off. What do we take there? Small loss.
Order submitted.
Let's see if we can take back this entire candle. Oh my. Stops too far.
Stop filled.
Oh man, alive. Huh. I thought we could see the low of the breakout candle taken out. Guess not. So that's at 192.
Order submitted.
Oh my gosh, what have you done? Came down there so quick, couldn't even get in. It's gonna have the 4 there. Oh. Let's go see. What do we lose? 9. Stops there. Can we go see? Come on. There we go. Try and take that 9. Try and take 10.
Stop filled.
Okay. Now we wait. I need to take these executions off. Why are the executions not coming off? Let's see. So I'm looking at a 5-minute chart here. Coming to this area, putting a lot of volume. Wonder if we're going to come back down to that 150. You know what? Let the strategy show itself. Let the strategy show itself. In reality, could short this.
Order submitted.
Oh, hold on. Let's see. Let's see where the stop's going to be. 192. Should have probably got out for break even there, but hold on. That would have been a stop out actually. So there would have been a short on this candle with a stop out. Somewhere where the stop is currently. So let's see. Market wants to sell off from here. Good. If not, be a deserved stop out.
Stop filled.
Okay. Down 22. From being down 9. Guess we don't need to come back to the 200 to find buyers. Can't take this current long. Must wait.
Order submitted.
Decide to get in there aggressively. Just in stop to break even. Saw the wick down to the bottom of the candle. I think I was risking like 3 points there, so let's take 10. Let's take 11. Why not? Okay, so potentially a long here. Targets at 202.50. 202.50. Maybe I should just simply take what I was originally thinking. What did I say? 11.
Target order filled.
Okay. So we got to 202.50. Yeah, would have just got to 202.50. So I got out at 97.50. Could have got to 202.50s. Seen the breakout there. So what is that? It's 5 points. What is 5 points amongst friends? Broke out to new higher day. Saw some selling there.
Order submitted.
Risking 275. Trying to get 575. Oh, goodness. Ah. Come on. 275.
Stop filled.
Stopped out. Oh, my word. Huh. Mocking me.
Order submitted.
What would be the... Probably 11. 189.75. Oh, what? Let's put it there. Ah, stopped out.
Order filled.
Oh, you've got to be kidding me.
Order submit. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
Oh, my
Stop
word.
filled.
Oh, you got to be kidding me. I went to the well too many times.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Oh, went to the well too many times.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
Where's the 260.75? 260.75. Is this live or sim trading? Sim trading. So at G, sim trading. I'll just stop to break even there. Any luck? It hasn't been good recently. It has not been good recently. After that stop out, which I'm going to be stopped out again.
Stop filled.
Hasn't been good. Think kept going long, and then this big pullback got me out.
Order submitted.
Nope, I guess not. I feel you got my... I got my ass handed to me this past week. Yeah, the markets have been difficult. Have you been trading NQ as well? Hold on, why would this market continue to go higher without pulling back? Have I just started trading? I wish I just started trading, to be honest. I've been trading for far too long to be making the mistakes I do, to be honest. Yeah. Let's have a look at this on a 5-minute chart. What does this look like? Seems pretty orderly on a 5-minute. Could potentially get to the 360s. Hey, shoot, we don't give up around here. Lol. Well, one thing we do is we do double down. We do double down. Yeah, took an interest in the market around 2016. February 2016, and mainly in the Forex market. And ever since then, I've been doing some iteration of whether it's analysis or sim trading. I've done some live trading in the past, but it's not worked out. Only the strong survive. Well, certainly. You do got to be persistent. I'm going to adjust my stop to break even here. Hold on, what was that line?
Order
Let's take it
failed.
off. Why is it that line on my chart? I had it on there for some reason. Would have been stopped out for break even anyway. Only the strong survive. How long have you been trading?
Order submitted.
Why are you short? We break these highs, I'm getting out. So we break those highs, I'll be getting out. Hoping that this move to the upside is a bit of a capitulation move. I've been hitting it hard consistent for about 3 years. No, that's good. I'm mostly short. Mostly short. That's my strength. Yeah, when the markets go in your favor, short trades resolve themselves pretty quickly. The only thing about, say, the US markets is over time they tend to just always go up. There seems to be a forever bid. Always buying the market up. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to see if this move up, and even though we broke the highs twice, see if that's, you know what, let's adjust our, should we adjust our stop to break even? Keep it where it is, 875. Keep it where it is. Are you a mean reversion trader? Or do you trade with the trend? See, I was up 22. So I was risking 8. I was up 22. If I'm risking 8, well, essentially, let's say 9. So after 27 points, I would have got my 1 to 3. Both I use I use Donkin channels and Ichikomi Cloud. Mostly looking for mean reversion. If I miss a trade, I use a Donkin channel to catch a trade. Mostly look for mean reversions. Yeah, I'm a fan of the Donkin channels as well. That's why I've got a 20 period Donkin channel on my chart. I see this red line. I know it's from yesterday, but I'm trying to think what it was. The forever bid. See, would have been stopped out for break even there. I don't have that labeled on the chart. I guess no 27 points for me. As the market comes back. And stops me out. I use Donkey challenge to catch a trend if I miss a top of the mean reversion. Here it goes. I'm about to be stopped out.
Stop filled.
Stopped out there. A little bit frustrating, but I guess the bears aren't going to be here today. Market currently up 1.9%. So this was 20,214. That level was on the charts from must have been weeks ago.
Order submitted.
Okay, so retested the highs there. Let's see, get 6. If we're up 6, we're going to just stop to break even here. May not be that fortunate, but we'll see. 575. Oh, come on.
Stop
Stopped out.
filled.
I was thinking from the morning. Hold on. The market is bid, man. They want to send it up next week for the FOMC. Certainly an idea.
Order submitted.
No, I can't buy here.
Order filled.
Because market spiked around this level.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Because the market spiked around this level.
Order submitted. Stop filled.
Yeah. I guess that forever bids here.
Order submitted.
So I'm short at 50. Needed to get down to about 42. Let's put 40. Get to 40, I'm adjusting my stop to break even. Oh, actually, that actually did get to 40. Oh. It did it so quick, I didn't even notice. It already did get to 40. Let's adjust my stop to break even. Do you use patterns to trade and not the type of patterns you on YouTube, but like the actual 1 to 3 candle patterns? No, I don't. I pretty much I'm looking for a bullish or a bearish candle in and around an area that I think could be of interest. So, like for example, I've got like a I've got simple moving averages on this chart. So I've got the 200 and I've got the 600 simple moving average. So say if the market was to approach it from where it is now, from being high, I'll be looking for prices to put in a bullish candle and then rally to the upside.
Stop filled.
Break even. On the other end, if it was below, I'll be looking for a rejection. And on the RSI, I'm looking for a move through. I'm using RSI as a bit of a momentum indicator, to be honest. So what I'll do is I'll bring this over. So these triangles are pretty much when the RSI is above 60. So I'd probably use that. And then I use a 2-period ATR. So 4 2-periods ATR for targets and sometimes stop, but more often than not. Recently, I've just been using the lows. Oh my word.
Order submitted.
It's not good. So should have been short there at 49. Got down to 43. Should be adjusting my stop to break even. Why won't he just break out if it's going to break out? So all this market's doing is just frustrating me.
Stop filled.
Thing is, I don't want to take a long for the simple fact that we had this price action through here where we went from 192 all the way up to 255 in essentially 30 seconds. And then back down again.
Order submitted.
Nope, this isn't working. Oh, we'll see. It's probably going to get bought up again and stop out. You see, it flashes down and it immediately gets bought up. See,
Stop filled.
probably need to break the highs. If I do get this right, big if,
Order
Sure.
submitted.
getting ready to close if necessary. 3 points there. Just stop to where it's supposed to be. So he just keeps getting bought up. Can we get 6 points? Got 4 there, 4.5. I guess not. If you can't find a trade, I can show you a 1 to 3 candle patterns. They give entries and exits, then use indicators confluence. Are you talking the what are they called now? Fractals. I use indicators, but I trade actual price action. Oh, just got 6 there. So got 6, just in stop to break even. I use indicators to trade price actions. Okay. Let's see. The thing is, I could imagine, I wonder if the point of control shifted. It hasn't quite shifted yet. Could imagine there's a lot of volume being conducted in this area. As prices just hung around there. But we've got our stop at break even, so let's see. Nope. See, look at that buy up there. This market could always come back, stop me off for break even and sell off. But remains a distinct possibility. Indicators 100%. Let's see. Fractals. Williams fractals. See, I'm banking on this move up, especially as we've broke the highs around the 254s and failed. That's the reason why you've had this sharp spike up. You've had a multiple failures above that level. We've also had another failure above the 54s right there. See, this would have been a great entry right on that candle there. But we'll see. So currently up 21. Well, right there, 20. With a stop at break even. Well, we've seen this story before. I think we're down at, on this one, we're up 22, only for it to come back to break even. And that may still happen again. We'll see. So let's see, Williams fractals. I need to think about how I'm going to develop a strategy around fractals. 3 candle pattern. So it may be a move up. 1 up. 2 down. What have we run into? It's not even that strong a level. We've only got to the 34s. See, if we'd have got back down to the 214s, certainly. And we took a loss through here. How many points were we up? 24. Ended up giving it back. I've been finding over the days that I've had a trade idea, not been patient enough with it. Took a series of losses like today, drew down, only for the trade idea to work later on. After I've gotten out of a trade. We'll see here. It's a fairly large candle on the daily chart. So I am asking a lot to expect a pullback of, what's the pullback I'm looking for? 153 points. Maybe I'm being unreasonable. So 175, let's put an alert at 175 if we get it. And then 125. Do you sell Discord or membership or a course? No, I don't sell a Discord or a membership or a course. I'm not profitable, so I certainly wouldn't. I'm sure there's probably, to be fair, I've seen on FinTwit traders that aren't profitable do sell courses and various different products, but I'm not going to be doing that. Have you purchased any courses and found any of them really good? This is what I'll share with you. I study the charts meticulously. For a reversal. Thing is, actually, I could show you the reversal strategy I was working on in the background. Where was that? Where is that chart? Let's have a look. So let me go find this reversal strategy I was looking at. Where is it? Oh, it's a mean reversion, actually. Let's see what I've labeled it. That's not right. Reversal, you need to find a clear trend, more than 2 candles. That's all I can share with you, giving everything up. Yeah, that's no problem. I could understand. You know, I definitely would say if you've got an edge in the market, I'll certainly say keep it to you. You know, keep it to yourself as well. You're not going to find it on YouTube. You'll find it in the charts. Oh, come on. Are we really going to bounce here before the 200? Yeah, certainly when I think somebody discovers an edge, they're under no obligation to share it. And I certainly wouldn't be offended if no one was to share it, because if you spend the time, you've done the work, then you know, I don't see why somebody would just give that up. It's not that I'd share, but this is public. YouTube. Yeah, I 100% agree. I 100% agree. One thing is, I'm not offended if somebody doesn't share anything, because, you know, you've spent the time and done the work, so the wrong people find it and sell it. That's exactly what I was about to say. That's exactly what I was about to say. Someone will get the strategy, and then all of a sudden, I've seen somebody actually complaining about on YouTube about that last week, about somebody joining their group and studied this strategy, and now this person's got their own course that they're selling the strategy word for word. The only reason why I'm sharing is because I think, yeah, I completely understand. I completely understand. But yeah, the guy on FinTwitch, somebody joined his Discord, studies his strategy, and now this person's selling a course, ripping off his strategy word for word. And I could imagine he's going to be pretty frustrating. He spent years developing this strategy. And okay, he's getting compensated for in his Discord, but the person just lifted his strategy and just like decide that he's going to monetize it. And I could imagine that would be pretty frustrating. So this isn't great. This large move down being given up straight away. See that move down, 240 all the way down to 229. It's been given up straight away. For that, yeah, shake my head. Have you always traded futures, or were you trading stocks in the past, options, forex, crypto? It's not looking good at the minute. This is not looking good. This is not looking good. Oh, what's happened there? Yeah, that's not looking good. Especially on this 5. So we've got a 5-minute high at 245, currently trading at 237. Stops at 250. Let's see. 245. I trade where liquidity is at, what's the most probability. That's a pretty good approach. Trading where the market is, where we do have vol. So this would need to get down to 192. from where it currently is. 192 is all the way down here. Let's see, take these fractals off a second. So this market's not in a great place at the moment. For what I'm trying to do anyway. If I just move up and we've just been consolidating. Let's see. When it controls all the way down here at 145. It looks like I'm going to be stopped out. So I just move up, breaking above those highs. Another stop out for break even. See, it's not having much difficulty around that 245, so I could imagine the 250s on the cards. It's liquidity.
Stop filled.
There we go, stopped out. Not sure something could be something happens. Oh. There was a
Order submitted.
could have took that off. Where would that have been? At 45.
Target order filled.
Oh, hold on. Oh my word. I didn't even have a chance to make adjustment. Yes, gap. It has gap. So we open above the range of the candles. Yeah, let's see if a stock is going. Upside, it's gap to the above the range of candles. And stock will move to the upside. Oh, so that's what you mean by where the liquidity is. That's where the participation is in the market. Listen, it has to be pre-market. Okay.
Order submitted.
Let's be aggressive here. Let's see if we get a quick continuation. Seems like we're not going to.
Stop filled.
Look at that. We're trading contract stock on the daily. I may have to go to stocks. Ticker, the daily. So use a, so imagine like filter it out using a scanner of some kind.
Order submitted.
So risking 3.5 here. When you get a chance, I like you understand what I mean. Let's read that. Look at the ticker stock on the daily. Ticker. And you'll understand what I mean. Let's have a look.
Stop failed.
Of course, it's coming back. So the breakout's not performing. Oh my.
Order submitted.
Let's see. Risking 6. Let's see if that was a false breakout. I just got 6 there from my entry. Got 6 points from my entry. Let's see. Let's see. Let's do 150. The reality of the stop should be up at 55.75. When you get a chance, or like when you understand what I mean.
Stop failed.
Of course I get stopped out. Of course I get stopped out. Hold on, I need to go back. This gap's above the range of the candles.
Order submitted.
Okay. Let's see. Risking 2 points. Stopped out, looks like. Yep.
Stop failed. Order submitted.
Huh? What? 4, 6. Just stopped to break even. Probably should take
Stop failed.
Okay. Previous highs.
Order
Rejected.
submitted.
Let's see. The hell are buying this thing up crazy. And here I am trying to short it. I know I'm going to look back at today. And I'm going to think, why do I keep shorting it? And the thing is, it almost seems like when the market is trending, I always think, oh, it's going to turn around. And when it's ranging, I think, oh, it's going to trend. Always trying to outsmart it. There's been times where I've tried to get in on the trend. You know what? This isn't working.
Order failed.
I'll take it off. Sorry to test the level again. It feels like I have to take... I'm going to have to take profits quicker. See, I'm getting another breakout there.
Order submitted.
Oh, where did I... Oh my gosh. Entry is bad. Bad entry. Bad entry. I'm trying to help. I don't know it all. I hope you don't take
Stop
it wrong.
failed.
Oh, I don't take anything wrong, to be honest, when it comes to trading.
Order submitted.
I'm not good enough to take anything wrong. If I was profitable, probably be a bit more arrogant. I'd probably be arrogant in my approach, but see,
Order failed.
it just keeps coming back. I'm not a fan of the incessant retests.
Order submitted.
Break the highs I'm getting out. See?
Stop filled.
Oh my word. Oh, I can't trade anymore. Huh. The account's gone. Oh, that's the end of that account. That is the end, my friend. I'm trying to help. I don't know if you take it wrong. No, I'm certainly not taking it wrong. That is the end. I'm not going to reset the account on stream. I'm just going to walk away. Gonna walk away. Thought we could see the reverse off that move up, but market has other ideas. Let's have a look at the under NQ. No. Shout out, bro. Stay winning. Yeah, I'll try. You've got a sense of humor. I like it. Yeah, I'll keep trying to win. I think if anything, I'll be better off fading myself, to be honest. All right, thanks for stopping by. I'm going to end the stream now. Hope you, wish you continued luck trading, and hopefully you'll have a successful week next week. So I'm going to come back and do a recap, and that's about it. So thanks for watching. Good luck trading. Have a great day.